Little shameless plug right there, but okay, here's what we have going on. Here are the two headlights for the Y33 Q45 SEMA. It has like 10 different names of the car, but these are the headlights. They are not in very good condition. I mean, I've seen way worse, like the Corvette headlight build. We started out with headlights that were way worse, so these should look pretty good once we're done. Yeah, we're just going to be bringing these back to life. I got a headlight restoration kit we'll be using. Okay, what we'll be using is this Meguairs headlight restoration kit. And it comes with quite a bit of things. It says drill powered polishing. I was hoping that everything was going to be drill powered, but I should have read more closely because it's just a polisher. This will attach to a drill. And it looks like this is just a little hand sander for the cutting pads. Got a headlight sealant, wool pad, and then this plastic cleaner and polish. So it's pretty straightforward and it should work pretty well for these headlights. Alright, to start off, we're just going to do like a huge decon of the lens. I'm going to use glass cleaner and just a microfiber towel. Okay, we just hit it with the 1000 grit. Now we are going to hit it with the 3000 grit, the little hand sander. Same concept, so wet sand it, spray it down, keep everything all wet, dunk it, and get back at it. Put in the elbow work. I was hoping this was going to be drill powered, but that's my mistake for not reading it properly. Okay, 3000 grit is done. Now it's time to use the polisher and some of the polish. Okay, let's see how well we did. Just finished polishing them up. Actually does look quite a bit clearer. Look brand new again. A little surprised because when you're doing this and you're like sanding it, it's all yellow and stuff and scratched up, and you're like, I don't know how this is gonna work, but it always comes out well in the end. Okay, wiped it off a bit. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks way good. Super nice. I like the LED ring in there. I need to figure out, because that's the piece that is like not plugged in. So we got to figure that out. Maybe there's a reason why it's not plugged in. I don't know. But look at that. That looks nice. Try to adjust the GoPro real quick. Super shiny. Not clear. Not yellow at all. Came out really well. There's like even a little LED strip up in here and down in there. So. Okay, here is the non-cleaned one, non-polished. Looks pretty yellow, and boom, look at that. Way better. Actually see the ring. See the ring in there? See it a lot better in here. Came out solid. So there's a little comparison between the two, just so we know that the process is working and we don't have to change anything. So far, so good. Look at that. All right. Let's get this one going now, and then we'll seal them all up at the end. Polished up. This one's a tad bit more yellow than the other one. This one came out damn near perfect, but that one just has like the slightest hue of like oxidation. And I sanded it like way longer than this one too, so I don't know if that's just the way it is or what, but overall it still looks really well. I mean, I'm only gonna probably notice the difference between that one and this one when we put it on the car. But I was chasing 100%. We got about 95%. That one's really good. This one is kind of alright too. Maybe it's lighting, I don't know. But next we're going to have to seal it up, or seal up the headlights. So what they have is this headlight sealant, and then also that gray applicator pad from earlier. And it's pretty simple. You just put the headlight sealant on the sponge and then put it on the headlights. Evenly on this pad. I'm going to try to saturate it as much as I can. good. It should be good. Yep. Alright, it says to put it on evenly. I'll start one stroke this way. One stroke that way. Go up, another stroke. One more for the rim. And another layer. We're just going to do this a couple times. See how it works when we cross hatch it too. Okay, it is sealed up. Actually looks phenomenal. Super stoked with that. It's way better than it did before. You can actually see everything in there. I sealed it up. This stuff stinks, so make sure to have proper ventilation in here. I gotta go open up a door. But it's also sticky and smelly, but I did 2 coats for each side. Yeah, it says about 15 minutes it'll take for it to dry, and then after a day you can actually touch it. So we're gonna let this sit overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna start on the brackets and then see what's going on with the wiring and if we can get these 2 honeycomb setups going. There we go, the headlights are now clean. They look way better than they did before. Apparently there's a couple LEDs out on this one, but it's okay. Looks pretty mean. And a lot cleaner too. Before it was a super yellow. Now they are crystal clear. Check that out. Looks really good. But if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.